All right, weather-wise, yeah, it is going to be cold out there for us this morning. Certainly that's the case this morning. We'll try to warm up today. We will warm up tomorrow. Then more cold air moves in for the holiday. Let's get you on out this morning. Look at that nice looking sunrise now. Clear skies for the most part. Going to have some high thin clouds moving across the area here this morning. But yeah, plenty of sunshine on tap for today. Looking at 38 degrees. Those winds pretty light out of the northwest, 7 miles per hour. They're going to be northwest early on this morning, becoming a little more southerly later in the day. But yeah, it is going to be a chilly start all around for you this morning with those upper 30s heading out to Wiley at 39, 38 in Rockwall, along with DeSoto and Lancaster, 37 heading over to Arlington. We'll see some low 30s as well, getting out to Chico, Bridgeport at 33, along with Salina this morning. So a cold start. Those highs, though, recovering upper 50s to around 60 degrees, some lower 60s over our southern counties a little bit later today. Out west as well, Granbury, Mineral Wells topping out around 63. And again, plenty of sunny skies as we go through the day, with the exception of a few high clouds moving through. You see that on the satellite radar composite here this morning. That first front yesterday ushered in the colder air we're dealing with this morning. That's well off to our east. We'll see those temperatures upper 60s for Austin, San Antonio, heading out over the Arklatex region. New Orleans today around 70 or so. So if you're hitting the roads anywhere around the region, no weather-related issues out there for you today. Just crank up the heat in the car here this morning. So as we head into tomorrow, we'll warm up out ahead of the next front that works its way in. It's going to be a stronger one. It's going to have some very cold air behind it as it works its way into our area as we get into Thursday. So a very chilly Thanksgiving day, and then those overnight lows heading into Thursday night and Friday morning will be quite cold. Again, our first widespread freeze perhaps across North Texas as we look at those temperatures on Friday morning. Lower 30s. We're looking at Sherman down to Gainesville, Denton, McKinney as well, right around freezing. Pretty much above freezing for the most part, I think, in and around the Metroplex. We'll be keeping an eye on this, but right now around 34 for Fort Worth. Dallas will be around 35. So just be prepared for that. It is going to be very cold and a very chilly Thanksgiving day. Here's that forecast for you with those north winds around 10 to 20 through the day. 8 a.m. temperatures in the mid 40s. We'll warm into the low 50s around noon, and around 4 p.m. only in the low 50s out there. So here's that 14-day forecast. A brief warm up again on tomorrow. Then as we head into Saturday, a cool day as you head out on Friday as well, with those morning lows again quite chilly for the Friday morning, around 60 or so Saturday, and then more cool air moves in for Sunday as we begin the month of December. Could be looking at some low end rain chances as we get into next week with those temperatures getting back into the 60s. All right, one more check on traffic. Back over to station.